We are going to do another Ergo update, and we'll be talking about something very interesting. Keep watching. Again, guys, bear in mind what I'm going to share with you here today is not financial advice. This information is just for entertainment as well as educational purposes. If you are new, thank you very much for stopping by. If you are a returning viewer and a subscriber, thank you very much, and I appreciate your support. Let's keep growing, and please keep spreading the word. For those who are new, subscribing is free. Just take a second to subscribe. Click that like and subscribe button. Also, guys, be aware that we're also available on Twitter. Our Twitter handle is right here on the screen. From time to time, we do post some time-sensitive information via Twitter. So if you do not want to be left out, you don't want to miss out, please follow us on Twitter. And over there, you'll be able to see some of the posts we made from time to time. And some of that information might be time-sensitive. Okay, let's jump into our update. So, this is new. I know it's almost a week old, but ErgoDEX is rebranding. Very interesting. So the ErgoDEX is rebranded from just being a decentralized exchange to Spectrum. We like the colors here. I think they are very smooth and soft. So Spectrum will be offering a suite of products. We didn't see that coming, but hey, here it is. This was shared on the 14th of August 2022 on the project's Medium page. So Spectrum, a native cross-chain DeFi ecosystem. Here we go. For those who may not know what ErgoDEX was and what Spectrum is, Spectrum, originally ErgoDEX, it is an EUTXO decentralized exchange or DEX on both Cardano and Ergo blockchain. The ErgoDEX has been live for a while now, while the Cardano version is still on testnet and yet to launch. There's also going to be a bridge between these two blockchains, so keep watching this space. What triggered the rebranding? Well, the team stated that the original DEX, the ErgoDEX that is, had become cramped for ideas and ambitions. Now the terms of reference for the project go way beyond just being a DEX with high ambitions to scale up the entire DeFi ecosystem. The original look created a direct association with Ergo, the blockchain, which could potentially mislead some viewers and users since they are two totally different independent blockchains. So what are some of the changes that we are going to get or that we are getting with this rebranding? The logos have changed from this to that. Which one do you like the most? That one, of course. I mean, this one here. This one is better. It's the better of the two. It's kind of a softer appeal to it. What does everyone think? Please comments down below and let us know. Whilst you're down there, guys, don't forget to smash that notification bell. If you are not subscribed, just click like and subscribe. Even if you don't intend on coming back, but I hope you will, because we'll be dishing out some alpha from now on. We've been doing it from the beginning, but there you go. We'll just up the ante a little bit. As far as the actual homepage is concerned, I think the latest version is a cleaner, modernized look to it as well. So yeah, that was probably the correct move to rebrand. Product line expansion. There's going to be a Spectrum.network and a Spectrum.finance. So those will be the key flagship products. Just a quick question though to those who are in the know or anyone from the Spectrum team. Is this Spectrum here, Spectrum.network, the same as referenced way back in May this year, that is 2022, with the following title, Spectrum Scaling ErgoDEX Beyond Layer 1? It's this one here. Is it the same thing, the same project? I'm not sure. I think Spectrum was already scaling the ErgoDEX, so it might be that's where the name came from. Please enlighten us. We are keen to know that. Anyway, the two main Spectrum products in brief will be as follows. You've got the Spectrum.finance, which is a cross-chain decentralized application with a DEX and wallet based on Spectrum.network. Spectrum.finance will help the community to use all opportunities of cross-chain DeFi, the DEX and wallet. Spectrum.network, on the other hand, is the layer 2 solution to make quick, cheap and cross-chain DeFi come true. And there's also going to be a token. Whoa, I didn't see this coming here. When I saw that, I'm thinking, wow, that's very interesting. We need more information though, because all we have at the moment is just the ticker symbol, SPF. We need more information about the distribution and whether you are going to do some drops, some airdrops. We need that. Guys, come on, give us a little bit. We'll keep you guys posted on the token supply and whether this is going to be a dual token for use on both Cardano and Ergo blockchains. The DEX is also going to be redeveloped in order to incorporate the following features. It's going to incorporate yield farming, zapping, which is providing liquidity using one pool asset. I think this is a lift from MinSwap because MinSwap already do this, but I think it's a very good feature. Peer-to-peer trades or P2P trades, limit orders or limit order swaps, protocol analytics, ledger integration, Ergo to Cardano cross-chain transactions. Initially, my understanding is that the cross-chain transactions between Ergo and Cardano will be executed via the Rosen bridge, switching to the Spectrum.network at a later date. We'll keep you guys informed. We'll keep tabs on the progress of Spectrum from now on. Make sure we get all the key dates in line. So again, if we don't have time to do a video, we'll try and post it on Twitter. So it's worth your while for you to follow us on Twitter. Our Twitter handle is right here on the screen. All the different parts of Spectrum.finance will be merged into one decentralized application. Okay, it makes sense. More on the Spectrum.network. Spectrum Spectrum.network will help Spectrum.finance to work cross-chain quickly and cheaply. Interoperability between Ergo and Cardano will be added fast via Spectrum.network. In the future, the plan is to add other networks. Ethereum is also going to be among the team's initial priorities for cross-chain network and interoperability. Moreover, Spectrum.network will allow any DeFi project to enter the Spectrum.network ecosystem. Okay, Spectrum.network development order is going to be as follows, or it's going to follow the following path. Network protocol specification and implementation. This is currently in progress. Generalized blockchain data format specification. Implement networking layer. Spectrum.network reference client architecture specification. Implement consensus layer. Implement and run a testnet with a simple bridge based on early Spectrum.network. Add support to smart contracts. Set up a testnet. I don't know how long all this will take, but we look forward to see what Spectrum.network is going to be. We think the objectives so far, they are valid and they are trying to solve clearly defined issues or problems. So we think this is a very necessary upgrade. It is an upgrade as far as I'm concerned, because previously the ErgoDEX was just a DEX. Anyway, moving on. That's a lot to unpack as far as Spectrum.network is concerned and its flagship products in Spectrum.finance and Spectrum.network. More information on the SPF token and distribution information will be great. Bring it on, guys. You can tell we're fond of the original incarnation of the ErgoDEX and we ain't about to stop now. What does everyone else think? Do you think this is the right direction for this project? Comment down below and let us know, guys. Until next time, this was your ErgoDEX updates from your hosts, FD for Safe5.tv signing out now. Bye.